Pinterest is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing. With over 450 million monthly active users, it offers a unique opportunity to generate significant income. This video will walk you through the steps to make $75 per hour using Pinterest affiliate marketing, including setting up your account, understanding the Pinterest algorithm, creating effective pins, and optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. Understanding Pinterest and affiliate marketing. Pinterest is a visual discovery and bookmarking platform where users can find and save ideas, known as pins. Each pin links back to the original source, making Pinterest an excellent tool for driving traffic to websites and blogs. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through blog posts, social media, or platforms like Pinterest. Setting up your Pinterest business account. To maximize your affiliate marketing efforts, you need a Pinterest business account. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for a business account. Go to Pinterest.com and sign up for a business account. Fill in the necessary details, such as your business name, website, and industry. Optimize your profile. Choose a clear, professional profile picture. Write a compelling bio that includes relevant keywords. Add a link to your website or blog. Enable rich pins. Rich pins provide more context about your pins and are more likely to be seen by users. You can enable rich pins by verifying your website with Pinterest. Researching and joining affiliate programs. To start earning through affiliate marketing, you need to join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Here's how to find the best programs. Popular affiliate networks. Amazon Associates offers a wide range of products. Easy to join and use. ShareASale connects you with thousands of merchants. Provides a variety of tools for marketers. CJ Affiliate offers high-quality affiliate programs. Provides detailed performance reports. ClickBank, known for digital products. High commission rates. Choosing the right programs. Relevance. Choose programs relevant to your niche. Commission rates. Look for programs with competitive commission rates. Creating high-quality pins. Pins are the heart of Pinterest. High-quality, visually appealing pins attract more clicks and repins. Here's how to create them. Use high-quality images. Use clear, high-resolution images. Avoid using images with too much text. Vertical pins. Vertical pins perform better on Pinterest. Use a 2:3 aspect ratio, e.g., 1000x 1500 pixels. Consistent branding. Use consistent colors, fonts, and logos. This helps in building brand recognition. Compelling titles and descriptions. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. Write clear, engaging descriptions that explain what the pin is about. Tools for creating pins. Canva. Easy-to-use design tool with Pinterest templates. Tailwind Create. Tool for creating and scheduling pins. Understanding Pinterest SEO. Pinterest is a search engine, so understanding Pinterest SEO is crucial for your success. Here's how to optimize your pins for search. Keyword research. Pinterest search bar. Use the search bar to find popular keywords related to your niche. Look at the suggested keywords to get more ideas. Pinterest trends. Use Pinterest trends to see what's trending in your niche. This helps you create relevant and timely content. Google Keyword Planner. Use Google Keyword Planner to find high-volume keywords. Incorporate these keywords into your pin titles and descriptions. Pin optimization. Titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords naturally in your pin titles and descriptions. Hashtags. Include a few relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Board names and descriptions. Optimize your board names and descriptions with keywords. Building and organizing boards. Organizing your pins into boards helps users find your content and follow your profile. Here's how to create effective boards. Creating boards. Relevant topics. Create boards around specific topics related to your niche. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, create boards for workouts, healthy recipes, and fitness tips. Board titles and descriptions. Use clear, descriptive titles that include keywords. Write detailed descriptions with relevant keywords. Board covers. Use custom board covers to make your profile look cohesive. Ensure the covers are visually appealing and relevant to the board's content. Pinning strategies. Consistent pinning. Pin consistently to keep your content fresh. Mix of content. Pin a mix of your own content and others' content. Group boards. Join group boards in your niche to increase your reach. Using Tailwind for scheduling and analytics. Tailwind is a powerful tool for Pinterest marketing. It helps you schedule pins, analyze performance, and join Tailwind tribes. Here's how to use it effectively. Scheduling pins. Create a schedule. Schedule your pins to be posted at optimal times. Tailwind suggests the best times based on your audience's activity. Loop scheduling. Use Tailwind's looping feature to repin your best performing content. This keeps your top pins in circulation. Analyzing performance. Track key metrics. Monitor metrics like impressions, clicks, and repins. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not. Optimize your strategy. Based on your analytics, adjust your pinning strategy. Focus on creating more of the content that performs well. Tailwind tribes. Join relevant tribes. Join tribes related to your niche. Share your pins and repin others' content to increase visibility. Active participation. Actively participate in tribes by sharing and repinning. This helps you build relationships with other marketers and increase your reach. Driving traffic and conversions. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is essential for making money. Here's how to do it effectively. Linking strategies. Direct affiliate links. Use direct affiliate links in your pins. Ensure the links are relevant to the pin's content. Blog posts. Write blog posts that include affiliate links. Create pins that link back to these blog posts. Landing pages. Create landing pages for your affiliate products. Use pins to drive traffic to these pages. Conversion optimization. Clear call to actions (CTAs). Use clear, compelling CTAs in your pins and descriptions. Encourage users to click on your links. A/B testing. Test different pin designs, titles, and descriptions. Analyze the results to see what converts best. Retargeting. Use retargeting ads to reach users who have interacted with your pins. This increases the chances of converting them into customers. Monetizing beyond affiliate marketing. While affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money on Pinterest, there are other monetization strategies you can explore. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored pins. Charge a fee for promoting their products to your audience. Selling your own products. Create and sell your own products, such as digital downloads or physical goods. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your online store. Pinterest ads. Use Pinterest's advertising platform to promote your pins. Reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Staying updated and adapting. Pinterest is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes. Here's how to keep up. Follow Pinterest's official blog. Stay informed about new features and updates.